Negative 2 plus 2 times 5 over 2. Negative 2 plus 2 gives us 0. So 0 times 5 over 2. 0 times 5 equals 0. And 0 divided by 2 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Okay, so instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator negative 2 plus 2 times 5 divided by the denominator, which is 2. Here we have this parentheses and this division. In PEMDAS, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have this addition and this multiplication. Multiplication has higher priority than addition. So first this multiplication, 2 times 5 gives us 10. Okay, so we have negative 2 plus 10 divided by 2. No, negative 2 plus 10 gives us 8. So we have 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 4. The correct answer is 4.